Howdy trainers, we are back today with a pack of Paldean Fates. Let's see if we can pull anything good from this pack. Carefully snip the top. Alright, pack has been cracked. Still holding out for that Bubble Mew. Alright, you guys know the drill. We got 1, 2, 3, 4 from the back for the old card trick. And let's see what we've got. Oh my gosh, right off the rip. Beautiful, shiny Pidgeot EX. Alright, and a Chinchou uncommon. And a Armor Rouge. Awesome card. Basic Energy. A Mankey. A Flittle. Pikachu, really cool artwork, a Greavard, a Primate, a Whimsicott, Scrafty, and that is it. Okay, so awesome hit that we got with that shiny Pidgeot EX. Alright, thank you guys for watching, and as always, happy hunting, trainers.